Nice job, guys. Okay, let's
thumbnail.
Thank you.
You have a bug on your pants.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. This week my friends came to visit me and they showed up in this cool whip.
Okay, now I gotta catch up.
Hello! We went for a little walk at Odeon Point State Park in Rye, New Hampshire. And then we started picking up seashells. After a walk, we went to grab dinner and we did the Wednesday wing deal, which is 25 cents.
I have the camera on. I just.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nice job, guys. Okay, let's do a cheers to the camera. Now down and
Like a shot.
well, I had the garlic parm and I rate this. I rate this an 8. What do you rate yours?
I got the buffalo. I rate it.
How are we doing over here? Good. Good. We want some extra napkins over here.
That's okay, we have plenty. Thank you.
The video.
Yeah.
You can watch it on my YouTube channel. After dinner, we stopped at the beach and surprised Vitana with a birthday cake. Dear Vitana, yay! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Happy birthday, Vitana! Let me see you look at you. I hope that was going. Did I get it? Oh yeah, I did. You guys ready? Okay. Are you guys ready? Sure. Ready? Set, go. I think you're and we drove back to the house and I enjoyed my time in the back of the convertible and watched sunset. And and we played this game called Sky Joe. It was so much fun. I highly recommend, and it was very easy to learn.
Let's risk it for the biscuit. Oh, you risking? Oh. Shit. I don't like this game anymore. He's mad. Be bad.
And that was the end of my day. Happy birthday, Vitana, and I hope you had such an amazing day. And shout out to Nalene for being such a great friend. And for the weekend, I went to Marblehead, Massachusetts, and of course had to do a beach dunk.
Oh, okay, I'm doing a dunk. Ready, set, go. Oh, it's cold! Yay! We did it!
And my new obsession is paddleboarding. This is me now, but for me to get to that point, I had to go through this. And the next day, we did a boat day. And before we left, there was such a beautiful sunset.